Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Hollister Gift Card. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. To redeem Hollister Gift Card, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.hollisterco.com. Then you'll be taken to Hollister's website. Now first make sure that you are logged into your Hollister Co's account on Hollister Co's website. To do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner and tap on sign in option. After signing in, go back to the main home page of the website. Now choose the category of shop where you want to make a purchase. Then now select the product that you want to purchase. After selecting the product, you can see the product description. Now you can change the product color, size according to your want. After choosing the product, tap on Add to Bag. After that, tap on the shop icon at top right corner. Then here you can see the items or the products you have in your bag. Now tap on Checkout. Then here you can add your checkout information. First you can choose the shipping speed. Then you can add your shipping address. At first you need to add your first name, then add your last name, then add your address. Then you can add your apartment number if you want. Then add the city. With that, add your state and then add the zip code. After that, if you want to save this address, you can click on Save as my default address. Then under that you can see new payment. Tap on gift card at the second. Then here you need to first enter your gift card account number. Then enter the PIN number. If you have e-gift card, then your PIN number is not required. With that, click on Apply Gift Card to order. With this, you'll be able to redeem Hollister Gift Card. This is how we can redeem Hollister Gift Card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.